Let's say you're planning to go out with a smoking hot date and you want to go for a walk in the park. The day of your date finally comes around and it starts pouring rain. So, you go to a coffee shop instead. For software engineers, this is called a conditional statement. If the weather is good, walk in the park. Else, go to a coffee shop. This if-else layout is one of the most common things you'll see in any programming language. We check to see if a condition is true and then make a decision accordingly. Here's a list of ways we can evaluate conditional statements. Exactly equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. If you need to check for more than two conditions, we use the elif keyword, which stands for else if. In this example, the grade is equal to 69. We check to see if the grade is greater than or equal to 90. It is not, so we check if it's greater than or equal to 80. It is not, so we trigger our default else statement, which means none of the above conditions were met, and we print C grade or below. If you need multiple conditions to be met at the same time, we can use the AND keyword. If you need one condition out of multiple options to be met, we can use the OR keyword. Follow to learn more about software engineering.